Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're playing Stressed. And also, I am about a building. That is what I realized. So first, and also I changed up my avatar. Tell me down in the comments, subscribe, and there'll be an intro to my vids. Yeah. Just gonna hit that button. So yeah, as you can see, I'm about a building. So today I just posted two videos. Go check them out. Subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notifications on. And comment down your Roblox username, not Fortnite username. Because one of my viewers told me that I buy them 2K Robux. Oh, we are gonna follow him. Yo, so just wanna leave. So, and also today we're gonna check out the new. So I already checked out before you. I already checked out this new update, and also RPG world is fun. Yep. So, what next to play? If you want to friend me in Roblox, not Fortnite, just wait. What was I saying again? Huh? I don't even remember what I was saying. Lol, Lemeo. Okay, who the heck brought a Bugatti here? Is it like wait. Oh my gosh, this guy's level 50. Wow. And he fell for it, lol. If he comes, I'm leaving. I'm serious about that. Just know I am serious. And then we find he's waiting just out here. Let's say here. He's waiting right here, where the explode wall is. I'll really rage. And also, I won't spoil it for you, I'm just gonna show it to you. Oh, that is a cop. Never mind that. So, please give me money. please. I have 3K. Please donate money to me. Please, I beg you, so I can buy new cars. Not the cars that I have. New ones. Wait, what the? ABC Def. Okay, like literally. So this is the new garage. Texture. Very. Look at this. You need level 50 for this. Look. You need level 40. 30. 30. Like, really, Asimo? Jeez. So right now, I'm not in the mood for songs. Is this Asimo or Patsy? I really don't know who kept this. So yeah. I haven't played Joe. Wow. Wow. He's caught on YouTube. Did you see that? He jumped through the wall. Gosh. So which game should we play? So don't worry about the lag. I don't have all the... I really don't have... Okay. I really don't have... What is it called again? Setup. A setup. And I just have... I only have one. Okay. I'll make a setup so that my game doesn't lag. So don't worry about the lag. I'll make it go away. Lock quick, load quick, load quick. So yeah, I already played this game. I'll try to edit my vids since I didn't how to edit them. Let me see if I can kill this guy. Wait, what? Oof him. Hold him to help me. So I just started this game today. I was given pets by my friend. That's how I got all of this stuff. Let me try defeating him with this. Lol. Wow. From that angle I just destroyed him just like that. What the? Okay, this game is fun. I really don't want to rebirth, because that will literally reset your things. Should I rebirth? Okay, I'm a rebirth. Wait, what? I don't have enough. Let me see if I can hit this guy. Come here. So, okay. Is he typing? Wait, what the? How can I not kill him? I'm going to kill people with this. Okay, yes, I know it's powerful, but yeah, what the heck? How? What the? Just 3 shots, then he's dead. Trails. Hey, 60. Yahoo! Yay! 587. Okay, wow. Let me go with the boss. What's up, boss? Hey! Yikes. I love how they die. Oh. I got some good cash here. I ain't gonna waste my money. So this is gonna be end for the vid. If you enjoyed the vid, please like, subscribe, and the intro is coming. I'm working on it. So bye. Peace.